Is this what you were looking for?
Hey man, thanks for picking me up today. Really appreciate that.
Hey bro, no problem. What actually brought you back?
I'll be honest, man. I don't really want to talk about it right now.
Hey, I totally understand that. Regardless, it's good to see you. Good to see you.
Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. Oh shit! Yo!
What's good, bro?
What's up, man?
Heard the news, bro. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, that's so unfortunate that had to happen to you, man.
Yeah, man. I couldn't afford to live down there anymore, so I had to come back up, stay with my grandpa.
Alright, so there's gotta be something you're looking forward to while you up here, bro.
Bro, honestly, I don't even know. Like, I'm broke. I have no job now. I'm living with my grandpa. And I just found out my girl was getting cracked. I found she's the manager of the football team. It was rough, man. The whole offensive line, bro.
Plenty of fish in the sea, let's be real.
I mean, I guess. That's a fucking crazy way to find out, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I don't even know where I can go from here. I got so much stuff that I need to get done, but I don't have any money.
Hey bro, hey bro, I'm not gonna lie, you have to chill out. You gotta focus on the things that are important, and all that other stuff, it doesn't even matter like that. Just stay locked in, bro.
You're right. Man, thanks for taking me to get a haircut today, bro. I really needed it, and it helped a little bit, but I'm at the low. I've hit rock bottom, straight up.
Rock bottom? Well, I think I know of a place where you can reconnect and reset.
And where exactly is that?
I'll show you tomorrow.
Alright, man. I trust you.
I haven't given you a reason not to.
Bro, how much farther do we have? Can we just turn around?
Don't worry, man, we're almost there.
think?
This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. Pretty beautiful, man.
Ain't nothing like it.
Is this what you were looking for?
I think it is.
Action.
I understand that. I understand that, Sigma.
It's good. It's good.
Run down the road with good
Say
lighting.
it again.
Alright.
We'll run down the
Down over the blanket, bro. Anime acting character.
Just give me a second. Hey, let's just cut this out.
It's not that long. 3, 2, 1. Bro.
Stop it.
Why did it-
Cut. Cut.
For the news, bro.
I just took a fucking shot.
Bro closed his eyes. You guys are fucking.
Yeah, bro. Coming in here today. Bro, you're not even giving me a chance to.
Rock bottom. Well, no. Sorry.
There's no way you're a real human being. Please be normal.
Not bad. Not bad at all. I haven't given you a reason not to. What is up, guys? It's your boy, Catchan. Back with a vlog with, see Dunks over here? Can't see him, he's out of frame. There he is. Holy jump scare, am I right? You guys get it? Fist me. There we go. Anyways, Catchan out. Stay sexy. Finger huts.